Upload a green screen. You can find it on Google or anywhere else. And then add a text. Write your YouTube channel name. Select a font. Then go to Style and go to Shadows and select the black color and then change it to full. Then take a nice screenshot of it. Then open your edited video. Then click on Add Overlay. Then add your test as the overlay. Click on Cutout Chroma Lay and point the circle to the green color. Set the intensity to full and shadows to full. Adjust it. Go to Splice. Choose Overlay and change it to 60 to 70. Here is the final result.